The excellency leader, Nicole D. Guerra, Mapit Kamani Commander, John Anthony Palientos, Mapit Kamani ISO, Mark Anthony S. Lamabie, First Platoon Leader, Boys, John D.N.D. Catalan, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Lady Charmaine Asiya, School Principal, Mr. Erwin N. Aihan, CPP Mapit Facilitator, Mr. Floro, CPU's Designer, Mayor's Coordinator, Mrs. Melody S. Sabon, the excellency EOC Coordinator, Mr. Leo D. Senior, Mr. Christian Magasin, DLC Trainer, Ms. Angela Gascon, Major Trainer. Entry number 59, San Vicente National High School, San Vicente, Buhig, Camarines Sur. Thank you. Entry number 59, San Vicente National High School, San Vicente, Buhig, Camarines Sur. Next entry. Entry number 60, Bicol High School for Arts and Culture, San Jose, Piling, Camarines Sur.